Hey guys, Grease Monkey TV here. I'm coming to you a video about my 32-foot Falcon travel camper. I want to replace the lights. So I got some of these Chinese LEDs. They're pretty cheap. I got 20 for 20 bucks. These are the old bulbs, incandescents. They are pretty dim and got an orange tinge. And I upgraded about a year ago, to these ones. Refunor. They are a bit brighter. As you can see, they're about 2 times brighter, which makes, when I put them in, they are way brighter than these. But they look the same. Now, I want to upgrade from these to LEDs. Because these are way more brighter and the less watts than those use. So I got a good 20 pack of them. And as you can see, if I turn this on here, that is bright already, if you can make it out. And then you got that. You can see the orange tinge on this one is pretty bad. And then a nice white light with the LEDs. And for brightness quality, this one is like triple the amount. But I don't want it too bright in here. But yeah, it's pretty simple. How do you replace these? All you do is like this, push, you twist, and then will come out. And you got the old bulb out. You gotta be careful with the new ones. And it's the same way. You push and turn. And there you go. So I gotta replace all these. There's 18 of them in here. Them all over the place. I think they're gonna look way better. But yeah. I didn't want to make a short video about these bulbs. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it gave you a good idea. Talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.